Access Water Integrators and Equipment Philippines Incorporated is a 100% Filipino-owned company established in August 2015. The company caters to the provision for design, assembly, and installation of water and wastewater treatment equipment and solutions. It also provides project management, operations and maintenance services for new and/or existing water and wastewater treatment installations. Equipped with experienced and industry-savvy engineers, Access Water is committed to delivering a wide range of services to clientele from conventional water treatment systems to ion exchange or membrane technology, among others. Treatment products such as Ion Exchange Resins, Catalytic Filter media, microfilters, reverse osmosis membranes, UV systems, membrane degasifiers, and Electro-deionization Modules are also available. Access Water also supplies pre-assembled water treatment systems from foreign suppliers for clients requiring certifications from international standards such as ANSI, ASME, AWWA, NSF, JIS, and ISO. In 2017, Access Water's integrated management system was certified to comply with the standards of ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015 and OHSAS 18001-2007. Our capabilities include, for water treatment, conventional and catalytic filtration systems, iron, manganese, and arsenic removal filtration systems, sand filtration systems, microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration and reverse osmosis system, water softening and demineralization using ion exchange process, degasification, membrane or conventional tower, continuous electro-deionization. And for wastewater treatment, conventional and extended aeration systems, packaged sewage treatment plants, submerged fixed bed bioreactor, moving bed bioreactor, membrane bioreactor, tertiary wastewater treatment for water reuse. Access Water also has the following permits and licenses: SEC registration, Dun & Bradstreet with DUNS number 72570-9596, Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or CAB license number 46362, Food and Drug Administration or FDA certified water filter media for iron, manganese and arsenic removal, registered with the Philippine Government Electronics Procurement System or PhilGEPS, Bureau of Customs licensed importer, DEA license for handling and distributing water treatment-related chemicals, and a proud associate member of the Semiconductor and Electronics Industries of Philippines, Incorporated. With Access Water, you are assured of access to clean and potable water. For more information about our company, please visit us at www.accesswater.com.ph.